Give up. I gotta close shop for the night, so... That girl was out of your league, kid. She lived in a completely different world. Don't worry, though, Denji. I'm sure you'll meet somebody perfect for you one day.
Unwashed heathen! Your putrid odor has led me straight to you. What a puny establishment!